because I've said, where did you get images for the directory listings from the GBPs? No, well, sometimes, yeah, but usually we just download them from their website. So whenever we get a positive reply from cold outreach for the directory process, then again, it's part of the lead processing SOP in the mastermind. So, and that's VA work, just like I mentioned, Brand Expander is VA work. It's the same thing with lead processing. I even tell the DHA members, I want you to go through the SOP and, optimize yourself, 2 or 3 directory listings as leads come in. But after that, don't do it ever again. Like, you should never do it. You shouldn't have to. You should have a team member that does that for you, right? We're talking like, a VA, $6 or $7 an hour, something like that, $8 an hour, something like that. Or you pay per listing. That's what I do. I pay my team per listing that they produce. I try to pay my team, everybody on my team, per task, not per hour. I've only got 2 team members that are hourly. Everybody else is on a per task basis. That gives them incentive to become more efficient, to optimize more listings, right? To just produce more work. They get to write their own paychecks depending upon how efficient they are, right? So anyway, in the lead processing SOP, it mentions that once we get a positive reply from a contractor and we start to optimize their listing, then we just go look at their website and their GBP both, because we're trying to identify deficiencies in their digital presence, which is how we tag them in high level so that I know which sequence to add them to and which products or services to promote when I'm on the listing delivery call with them, which is the start of the sales conversation, right? So sometimes most of the time we get the images from their website if they have it, and sometimes we'll get them from the GBP, okay?